Welcome to the AAHAR 2026 app. On the home page, you'll find quick actions for easy access to key features. Tap on the My QR button to open your digital event badge, which can be used for easy networking during the event. To navigate the venue effortlessly, use the venue map. Simply filter booths by product category. Just select your destination and enter your current location, and the app will guide you directly to where you want to go. From the home page, you can also learn more about AAHAR 2026, explore information about the event, and stay updated. Use the AI chatbot to ask anything about the event and get instant answers. It's your smart event assistant, available anytime. You can also discover the partner countries, about the organizers and associates, and stay connected by following AAHAR on social media. Stay updated with everything happening at AAHAR 2026 through the Agenda tab. Here you can view the day-wise agenda of the event. Tap on any session to explore detailed information and session description. You can also add sessions to your in-app calendar so you never miss an important activity. All your saved sessions will appear under My Schedule, helping you plan your personalized event experience at AAHAR 2026. Explore the diverse range of companies participating in AAHAR 2026 through the Exhibitors section. You can search exhibitors by product categories or browse the complete exhibitor list. Tap on any exhibitor card to view company details, booth location, social media profiles, on-ground team members. If you'd like to connect with their team, simply tap on a team member's name to schedule a meeting. This makes it easier to discover businesses and build valuable partnerships during AAHAR 2026. Build meaningful business connections at AAHAR 2026 using the networking feature. Here, you can discover attendees and exhibitor to schedule one-on-one meetings during the event. To schedule a meeting, tap on Schedule Meeting, select your preferred date and time, and click Continue. Next, enter the meeting details such as the meeting title, location, and description. Once you preview the meeting details and confirm, the meeting request will be sent to the selected user. When the other user approves the request, the meeting will automatically appear in your meeting calendar. You can view all your scheduled meetings under My Meetings. You can also see the meeting requests you have received in the Meeting Requests tab, where you can approve or reject the requests. To manage when others can schedule meetings with you, go to My Availability and simply deselect the time slots when you are not available. This ensures seamless and organized networking throughout AAHAR 2026.